What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today we're going to talk about NIO, what I'm seeing in the technical analysis for today, Tuesday. Also, the news that just came out today about them having a couple patents. But before we get into that, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market, and I love to share it with anybody that's willing to listen. So that being said, man, let's just get right into it. As you can see, NIO, we had a nice push up to test the $50 range in pre-market, and then we've had this nice drop off. Am I worried about that drop off? Not at all. It is a healthy drop when you look at the overall chart from the beginning of that offering coming in at $39. We've been having a huge run. Then we had a nice healthy correction right here, and then a nice run again, and now I see another nice healthy correction right here. Potentially a good time to dip by it, guys. Just saying, I don't really see it dipping too far off. I see it maintaining course and continuing to gradually climb. Because like I said, once it broke the resistance on this daily in the 48, that we would most likely have a nice run back into the 50s and then retesting this 54 high and this 57 high. Oops, excuse me. And I still see that very much happening because, again, we have more great news and another catalyst to propel NIO. So this morning, we had news come out. As you can see, December 22nd, 2020, NIO awarded U.S. patent for systems and methods of battery thermal management. And then they were awarded another U.S. patent for method and system for providing secure over-the-air vehicle updates. So again, man, just more catalysts to propel NIO to the top. You guys all know, if you watch my previous videos, that I'm extremely bullish on NIO. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I've been keeping everybody updated on NIO in my channel. You know, you could go back a few weeks and you could see when I was originally interested in NIO was in the $20 range. And I've been playing this thing ever since. If you haven't watched it, please go back and look through my channel, and you could find the video, my original videos about 3 weeks ago, where, you know, probably even further back than that, to be honest with you, when it was in the $20 range, and I go over my analysis. I go over all the research into the company, from the fundamentals to the charts to the people involved to the technology. We obviously all know this is a major EV play, but if you guys haven't really done your research on it, you could always go back in my channel and look at everything that I've done and posted. But I just wanted to go over a quick technical analysis for this nice drop from this morning. To me, it's just a healthy pullback, guys. That's all it is. We've been having this major run. And, you know, it's not always just going to be straight green. I mean, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight green days in a row. So we're bound to come for a red day. But I don't see this thing falling off. I see this just as a healthy correction because it just broke the high of the 48 resistance. So now we're dipping below it. But I see this thing correcting itself possibly even later on today because it's still early. It's only 8:16 a.m. West Coast time for me. So the market's only been open for, you know, maybe an hour, you know, going on 2 hours, hour and a half, going on 2 hours. So, I mean, the market is just open. I mean, we're still in the morning time. But I wanted to go over those two U.S. patents that they were rewarded because of the fact that it just propels another catalyst for this thing to come in the future, for us to test those 50 ranges again. And I believe when we're in January, we'll break the highs of the 57, 58 range, and we'll be well in the 60s and potentially in the 70s at the end of January. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know where you think this is going to be at the end of January 2021. Do you think we're going to be under 70 or over 70? I would love to hear you guys' predictions on it. I'll respond as soon as possible. I love when you guys leave comments. You know, it's very much appreciated. But yeah, man, so just going into the technicals for today, I think this is just a healthy correction. It's going to bounce back with no problem. It might be a potential time to dip by right now because I see this thing still breaking the high sometime soon. And I just made a video, my last video on NIO, with the title that, you know, this potentially could be the last time that you guys could purchase this stock in the $40 range. before it reaches the 50s, and because I believe once it hits the 50s, we're going to be well on our way to the 60s. So again, guys, a healthy correction for this morning. NIO awarded 2 U.S. patents, which is a beautiful thing. Again, if you guys made it this far, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. Make sure you leave that comment. I'll respond as soon as possible. Let me know your thoughts on what you think about this. Again, man, you can't stop mafia as a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So, quick update on NIO, guys. Healthy correction. 2 U.S. patents awarded. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm loving it. Extremely bullish on NIO. 10xing in 12 months. That's my prediction. I don't see that changing. Possibly more. I'm loving everything about this company. So let's keep this thing going, guys. So till next time, man, I'm going to keep you guys updated as much as possible. So I'll see y'all next time, man. Peace.